When we are on the journey to be the better version of ourselves, the first thing that we must understand is that anything that we want to accomplish in this world is through this body. This body is the only vehicle that will take us anywhere that we want to reach. So it's very important that we take care of this body. Body is the first step where you start when you start your journey for any betterment, be it your personal betterment, professional betterment, spiritual betterment, any betterment. The journey starts with your body first because this is the outermost layer. Now, how do you take care of your body, or what do I mean by when you have to take care of your body? I mean that you need to be very conscious that this body is very important, and what am I putting in and what am I doing with this body is to be done very consciously, not unconsciously. So fundamentally, this body is designed for movement. And if you look at our lifestyles, it is very mundane and it is very non-movement kind of lifestyle. We do not have to travel, we do not have to walk, we have lifts. The situation has come to an extent where people have even forgotten how to sign, right? Yesterday I was talking to few of the people who said कि यार मैं साइन करना भूल गया हूँ क्योंकि अब साइन करते ही नहीं है. So it has come to that extent. So first step is that you need to understand this body is made for movement, so you got to find ways where you do some movement. It could be a 20-minute exercise in the morning or evening, or whatever you find it comfortable with your body with. Start very small. 2 पुशअप से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, 2 सिटअप से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, 1 पुशअप से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? थोड़ी सी वॉकिंग से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, बट प्लीज डू सम मूवमेंट. सो के उठते हैं, नहाया धोया, लिफ्ट में चले गए, नीचे उतरे, गाड़ी में बैठ गए, फिर ऑफिस पहुंचे, अपने फ्लोर पे गए, फिर जाके सीट पे बैठ गए. इट्स वेरी नॉन मूवमेंट काइंड ऑफ lifestyle that we are living, and that creates a lot of negativity in our body, that creates a lot of diseases in our body, right? So the step to take care of your body is do some movement first. Simple exercise, walking, anything, just start. And then within 15 days you will start to realize that when you go for a walk, when you do some exercise in the morning, you get better energy from this body. You get better energy to accomplish more. वो काम जो पहले आपको नहीं करने का मन करता था, वो भी आप कर डालोगे. I am talking this from my personal experience, not from any book. So try and do it and let me know in your comments if that helps you, right? You can also ask any questions if you have related to that. I'll try and answer it, right? So be on the better version of yourselves. Thank you for sharing your time and space with me.